Are you a YouTuber trying to grow your views and your subscribers but are struggling? Well, look no further because TUBEBUDDY is here for just that. TUBEBUDDY is one of the best ways to optimize your YouTube channel faster. It helps you optimize your titles, descriptions, and also your tags. You can be rest assured this is legit because it is used by one of the best creatives here on YouTube and also brands like eBay and the BBC. TUBEBUDDY helps you design killer titles by helping you to select keywords that will rank the best and help you to obtain better views and also subscribers. You get to publish your content in half the time, rank higher, and get more views and subscribers in general. My absolute favorite TUBEBUDDY feature is the fact that you can select tags under your videos that are super popular and therefore helping you to rank the best that you can for that particular video, which is really good when it comes to beating the algorithm. Now, the benefits of TUBEBUDDY do not stop there. They've got a bomb affiliate program if you are a YouTuber where you can get rewards like lifetime free legendary upgrade, or you can complete simple tasks and then get maybe a 2-month upgrade here or a 1-month upgrade there, or 1 week free legendary upgrade. It's the options are like endless. You can even get 30 days any level depending on the task and also the size of your channel. So why not pair your YouTube channel with TUBEBUDDY and start growing today? With my code CoilyD and the link I place in the description below, you can start growing your channel right now for as little as $4.80 a month, or you can go ahead and sign up for the year and get a 20% discount. Make your hard work count and start growing with TUBEBUDDY today. Hi everyone, it's Coily Diaries back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. In this video, I will be talking about 10 reasons why I will not be leaving the natural hair community. Before I get into the video, guys, are you guys into head wraps or what? I'm feeling this style quite a bit. Let me know if you like this head wrap that I've got. Be sure to follow me on Instagram because I share all sorts of tips and tricks out there, including how I tied this head scarf. So yeah, check me out on Instagram. Now, this video is in no way to dismiss the obvious negatives of the natural hair community. I have done a video discussing the failures of the natural hair community and some achievements, and I'll link that video above here. Be sure to check out that video because I discuss some quite important aspects of the natural hair community, some failures and some major pros, if you may. So yeah, check it out. So the first reason I will not be leaving the natural hair community, guys, is because the natural hair community or the natural hair movement started something that cannot be stopped. Nothing beats a movement that is pro beauty in its natural form, feeling beautiful in your most natural state. Nothing beats that. Everybody wants to feel and look beautiful as they are. So of course, that's major. I am definitely a sucker for all things natural, things that don't require too much effort. So that's one reason I will not be leaving. I want to be part of a community that supports naturalness. I mean, the entire purpose of this channel is to empower women to grow their hair natural, to learn how to take care of their hair. And I believe a lot of you have been inspired and have reached out to me as to how these videos help you, how this education helps you. There's no way I'm just gonna leave the natural hair community. And for me, that's a real motivator. I want to stay in this community despite its negatives, despite its not so great aspects. I'm gonna still stick with the team and continue to make videos about natural hair and natural beauty, natural lifestyle, etc., because it's a passion of mine. And of course, I'm seeing the results with people, saying, hey, this tip helped us, this regimen helped us, this education helped us. That is just a win. Natural hair community has demonstrated the power of unity, the power of many. I go in detail about this particular point in the video I linked above earlier, so go check it out. But When we come together, I believe we can do great things, and I just want to be a part of that. New businesses have boomed because of natural hair, because of our passion to look after our hair, whether it be Black owned or non-Black owned. I mean, people know we spend money. We do invest in our hair, whether it be with wigs, weaves, hair extensions, or natural hair products, whatever the case, we spend money. So a lot of people have taken that opportunity and made businesses out of the movement. Others do exploit us, which is a downside, but my hope is that we will open our minds and be a little bit more aware of the brands and the businesses that actually are for us, are for Black women and people with natural hair, and not just buy blindly or support people that are just here to make a quick buck. You know what I mean? More products. I've spoken in detail again about this particular one, but I mean, more products are coming up. I would definitely be on the lookout for innovations. You guys know there's all sorts of tools that have been brought up, whether it be the hooded dryer attachment. And maybe these products were there before the natural hair movement, but they've definitely been made popular by the natural hair movement. The hooded dryer attachment, the Denman brush, you know, detangling combs, detangling brushes, you know, just other scarves, whatever, you name it, scrunchies. Yeah, I want to support small businesses that are coming up in the name of helping us naturals to embrace our hair. So I'm here to stay. I love talking about my hair. I really do. You guys know I'm a small YouTube channel, less than 10,000 subscribers, but I value my subscribers so much. That's number one. And even though I'm not hundreds of thousands of views, I still come out here producing videos. Why? I love talking about my hair. I love discussing it, discovering it, you know, exploring it. It's just, there's endless possibilities with my hair. So I'm here to explore it on my own and with you guys as well. That's why I'm here to stay. I think natural hair is liberating. Having natural hair really frees you, as in F-R-E-E, frees you to accept and see yourself as you are. Beautiful naturally, you know what I mean? Was it Coco Chanel that said a woman that cuts her hair is about to change her life? There's a lot of attachment to hair and how you feel, you know, the same way the way you dress, you know, if you put a bit of makeup, a little bit of lippy, it kind of ups your mood. It's the same thing with hair, and I think it's very liberating and very expressive to have natural hair. You guys, let me know if you relate to this. When you look good, when you put an effort into your look, it actually changes how you feel inside. And so there's nothing better than feeling good about my natural self, and that then extending or turning into feeling better inward about myself. The education that I've gotten from the natural hair community is awesome. I mean, there's so many regimens, there's so much information out there. You have to sort of work through lots and lots of information to find what works for you. Sometimes you have to do trial and error, etc. But I cannot dismiss the knowledge that I've gained just from watching videos, learning from other YouTubers, reading books, you know, blogs, etc. It's just so empowering, and I want to be a part of that. The future of natural hair is exciting. Like, think about it. Imagine kids growing up and not having to think, oh my goodness, my hair has to look straight like the girl at school, or I have to, you know, straighten or put relaxers in my hair to feel beautiful. They're just going to be embracing their beauty as they are. You know, that's unheard of. You know, I didn't have that in my younger years when I was, you know, when I was growing up. So it'll be really great and really exciting to be a part of a movement that contributed to that change. And of course, long hair. If long hair is a goal of yours, it's so exciting to look forward to the future, to achieving those goals. And I know not everybody wants long hair. If short hair is your thing, that's fine. Maybe it's dyeing your hair, maybe it's trying out new styles, whatever the case. Just looking forward to those natural hair goals just keeps me going. I'm gonna be a part of it for the long haul. And finally, but definitely not the least, is the fact that I am natural. So my hair by default makes me part of the community. I understand people leave the natural hair community. YouTubers stop making videos about natural hair because they just don't want to be part of the toxicity, the bickering, hello. Nobody likes drama. I don't like drama. And I understand that. But for me, the natural hair community includes YouTubers. It includes people that watch YouTube. It includes people that have natural hair. As long as you have natural hair or you are a supporter of natural hair, you are part of the community. So in as much as people can choose to stop making videos and just, go quiet online, they're really still part of the community in one way or another, or simply by being natural. Maybe they're not as active, but yeah, it's like being a part of a family. You could cut ties with your family, you could stop talking to your family, but the fact still remains. You are a part of that family by blood, by DNA. You get the gist. I don't know if that confuses you, but those are my 10 reasons for not leaving the natural hair community. I really feel passionately about natural hair. I believe there's a lot of things that need to happen in order for us to be liberated for real as African people or people of African descent. And I think there's a lot of work to be done. So having this little corner of mine on YouTube to share a little bit of change or just mingle with you guys, share ideas for a good cause, I'm gonna be here for it. Do you feel like you're part of the natural hair community? Do you feel like it's something that you can get away from? Do you feel like you want to leave? Because there's so much negativity, and I do understand people just feel so exhausting to just have the drama, people putting each other down. Instead of coming together, we're like worlds apart. Whatever your thoughts are, I don't judge people based on their decisions. Everyone's a human being for a purpose, because you have to make your own decisions in this life, right? But I'll be so excited to hear from you. Comment below, let me know if you like this video. And of course, I'll have a link to this headscarf in the description below. Until next time, see ya.